Hi, this is Charlie giving you Friday's video. I'm in London today, so I'm actually recording this Thursday. And the title is The Real Key to Trading Success. And many of you will know what I'm about to talk about here because I'm going to talk about mindset. So the thing is you can have a strategy, and of course you need strategies in trading. I have them. We teach strategies to our members. Um, so of course having strategies and technical setups are important, but you won't be successful without developing a trader mindset. And so let me give you some examples of what I mean here. So let's say you've got two traders who are actually identical twins. They're identical twins. So one here and one over here. So they look the same, they think the same as well. So let's say that they think exactly the same. And what happens is I give them two identical strategies. So they've both got strategy A. All right. So they've both got two identical strategies. By the way, both of these identical twins, they have, let's say, 5,000 pounds or euros or dollars, whatever you want to call it, 5,000 in their respective trading accounts. Alrighty, I think this is going well so far. It's giving you a good example of mindset. Get rid of Rachel. Rachel's phoning me. Um, so, so trader A, I get trader A that they're trading. This is Bill over here, and this is Ted over here. By the way, for those of you who've kindly been helping me out with my pen, yes, I'm using my mouse to do all this. I am going to get a proper pen tool so that it makes my writing better. So I've only done YouTube videos for about the last 15 years, or however long that YouTube's been going. We've been doing these things, but maybe it's time to get a pen, even though I've been using this all this time. So Bill and Ted. So Bill has got strategy A, so's Ted. Bill, I say, okay, I want you to trade with 3% at risk per trade. Ted, I'm getting to trade at 0.5% risk per trade. Now you can see where I'm going with this. Now this is a slight, exaggerated example, but this is the reality of trading. So you've got two traders and who have both got identical thought processes. So they think the same, they have the same emotions. Generally speaking, the only point that I have changed in this, I've given them the same strategy. They're going to even take the same trades. The only thing is they're locked away in different rooms, let's say. So they can't speak to each other, but they are going to be given the same strategies and the same trade setups that they take. Who do you think is going to trade better, Bill or Ted? Well, it's much more likely that Ted is going to trade better because of one facet only, because he's trading such smaller position size than Bill is. And that's an easy example of the power of mindset. We as human beings aren't programmed to trade. We are here to protect ourselves. Fight or flight response is one of our very core emotional responses to any situation where we might find pain or hurt. So when we were hunter-gatherers, and let's say there's another tribe locally, we'd either have to fight them or run away, or maybe it could be an animal, a wild animal. Do we do battle with it, or do we run away? So it's hardwired into our nature. We are there to look after ourselves. And so when you've got something like trading, what happens, why people bank profits early, why people move their stops, and all the things that I talk about on these videos that I do, it all comes back to our core hardwiring. And so it's difficult for us to break that. And that's one thing that we have to do as traders, is to break that hardwiring so that we can hold on to our winners a bit more when we need to and run them to a target, or not choke a trade and things like that. So, and this is a simple example that Bill and Ted, exactly the same, but Ted's likely to trade better. Bill's going to find it a lot more difficult to hold on to those trades because he's risking a lot more per trade, and so therefore he's going to find it a lot more emotional. So that's, like I said, an exaggerated example, but hopefully you can see that just how important mindset is towards trading. And I'm not just talking about position size, this is just an example, but I've seen it over and over again. You've got to bear in mind, Kim and I have been training people since 2002, and we've seen lots and lots of traders come through our doors, so to speak, over the years. So we have a lot of experience with dealing with traders, and I've seen over and over again how traders respond to certain situations, and obviously I use my own experiences, and how I overcome certain situations. So the main point I always say is, yes, you've got to have strategies, but you do not neglect the mindset, because you won't be able to deal with the emotional side of trading, whether it's the position size you're trading at, whether it's the fact that you've just got money on the line and it's counterintuitive to want to hold on. We've done studies, there's been studies, you offer someone £10 today and just walk up to someone in the street and say, look, I'll give you £10 today, or if you want to hold off for like 4 months, I'll give you £20 in 4 months. It's a proven study that the majority of people would take the £10 right now rather than delay that gratification and get twice the amount, 100% more, and they will still take the smaller amount right now. So this is a massively important concept to think about. Now, we do a lot of proper mindset stuff with our members, but hopefully I'm giving you some sort of food for thought here today with regards to, don't just focus on strategy. Strategy is important. Of course, you have to have strategies and analysis that you're comfortable with, but don't neglect your mindset, and how that can then affect the strategies that you're trading with. Like, oh, maybe I won't take this trade here today because I just had 3 losers on the bounce. That type of thing, which will affect you. So you need to work on your mindset, because that's going to make a big difference. Anyway, I shall leave you with that. Of course, add whatever you like to the comment section below, and if you've got anything you want to add, because as always, I give you a high level description of what I want to talk about on any one particular day, but you can always add some other concepts of why mindset is important. Trading is 90% mindset, 10% strategy. Strategy is important. It takes a lot of time and work on strategy, but the biggest aspect is your mindset. Ciao for now. Enjoy your weekends.